Brothers Fix all began with one screwdriver.
At Brothers Fix, we're passionate about transforming spaces nationwide. Brothers Fix serves a diverse clientele, spanning hospitality, healthcare, education, and workplace sectors. Whether it's partnering with furniture manufacturers, real estate management firms, or interior designers, we provide top-notch logistics support, storage solutions, skilled product installations, and facility management services. We're not just transforming spaces, but we're crafting experiences that leave a lasting impression.
Back in the day, I was a little bit down on my luck, and I decided to do a few Craigslist ads to help me out, and I was able to assemble a few beds, few dressers, few smaller clients, and then I decided to take a little bit further, and I created a website on my own. So I decided to give a call to my brothers, and that's how their name originated, Brothers Fix.
Our inventory reflects the diverse ranges of items that flow through Brothers Fix loading docks. With a focus on retrofitting spaces post-construction to align with interior design visions, we meticulously track various products from furniture and healthcare equipment to valuable artwork. We needed to have real-time visibility into receiving and storage processes, all in a seamless and streamlined manner. We experimented with various approaches, including building custom sheets, but none provided the required level of communication and customization. We struggled to find a solution that allowed for easy collaboration among users while accommodating the diverse tracking needs of our customers. Sortly has become an essential tool for facilitating seamless communication within our teams and our clients. Our warehousing team can easily document received freight, verify accuracy, and flag any issues, all while providing real-time updates to our clients.
When we started off with warehousing, we had a lot of issues and inventory. A lot of project sites, when we delivered the items, few items were always missing. That cost us a lot of labor, a lot of time, and very unsatisfied customers. So one day I sat down and I was searching on Google, how can I help myself and get organized? And then I ran into Sortly. We integrated Sortly into our business, and it was able to give us a lot of organization. Customers started becoming happy. Everything was delivered in one shot. And thanks to Sortly, we became way more successful.
With Sortly's intuitive interface and streamlined processes, tasks that used to be difficult and prone to error, such as inventory tracking and reporting, are now completed swiftly and accurately. This efficiency has translated into cost savings and improved productivity across our team. We can easily track inventory movements, identify trends, and make real-time informed decisions. Overall, Sortly has become an indispensable tool at Brothers Fix, empowering us to streamline operations daily. Whether you're a facility looking for better insight into your consumables or a 3PL moving cargo for your customers domestically, software to track your movements is pinnacle to your growth and maintaining your bottom line. Sortly is an excellent option to set up your process and adjust as your business snowballs.